levitation, I will be levitating from up the stairs to down the stairs without making any steps on the stairs. Watch this trick. As you can see, I'm practicing my levitation right now. You see that? Alright, time to get upstairs, yo. This is the first practice of levitation. Alright, just give me. Just give me. Yes! Upstairs, by the way, that guy is my partner. He's my spectator. Upstairs. Oh! Come on. It's not that hard. Ow! Okay. Alright, this is the final process of levitation. Do not try this at home, or your brain will explode. Right? Okay. Prefer to be brain exploded. Oh!